Hi, everybody. Meteorologist AJ Colby here in the Weather Center. Happy Hump Day, everybody. We're now at Wednesday, July 17th, and things are shaping up out there. It was a little toasty, a little humid, but there are some very nice temperatures on the way. I think you're going to like the forecast several days in a row, which look just ducky. Pleasant temperatures, lower humidity levels, and then perhaps a little bit more heat and humidity by the end of the period. But first of all, let's take a quick look at Doppler radar and show you some of the showery and even thundery weather in the area. Basically, we are betwixt and between two weather systems. There's one to the northwest. There's a line of thundery weather tending a trough of low pressure, the actual cold front itself sliding to the south and east. But we see a couple of little storm clusters well to the west, and those storms out close to Bowling Green, indicative of perhaps some thundery weather there. But for the most part, we are seeing no other weather issues. Looks like one cluster of thundery weather way to the south and west of Massillon and down toward Millersburg, heading toward Sugar Creek area. That's just about it in terms of any disruptive weather, if you will. I guess that's it. I'll give you a little wider shot of that one more time. Could there be a brief shower or thunderstorm? Certainly is not out of the question. We can't rule it out. But it looks like a fairly small chance that we'll have anything like that. This is a live look now from the crib cam. Northwest winds becoming north at 5 to 15 knots out there on Lake Erie. 1 to 3 footers expected tonight, and a little bit of a chop tomorrow as well with a north wind cruising in. That's a pretty decent fetch there, 10 to 15 knots. And the water temperature currently off Cleveland is 73 degrees. Here's a look at satellite imagery now from outer space. How does it look? Well, you can see plenty of breaks in the overcast for the sun to be up there doing its thing. There are some thunderstorms and inflamed cumulonimbus clouds, but again, that is the exception rather than the rule here across northeast Ohio and across the Buckeye State. Trough of low pressure, and that moving through parts of the Hoosier State. Out ahead of it, we have some thundery weather as well. This is a wider view of the U.S., and it's fairly quiet from the plain states out of the upper plains, the Midwest, and down into the Four Corners. No weather problems there either. Regional radar showing some of the thunderstorm clusters north of Pittsburgh and Harrisburg over to Philly, New York City, the island of Manhattan, perhaps picking up some storms, and up toward Albany and Montpelier, north of Concord in New Hampshire. There you can see some stormy weather. Also some storm clusters back over parts of Michigan and north and west of Detroit. You can see some storms there as well. How are the maps shaping up? Well, the cold front continues to traverse southeast Ohio through the evening hours, and by the overnight clears the state. There is a trough of low pressure that sticks close, so we have to keep the small chance for a brief shower or thunder shower going into the early morning hours of tomorrow morning. So a Thursday may be a little soggy for some northeast Ohio counties. That will be the exception rather than the rule. By tomorrow afternoon, Canadian high pressure building in, and that high continues to strengthen tomorrow night. She keeps us in pretty good shape through the overnight hours on into the day. Friday looks spectacular right now with high pressure setting up a big circus tent right over the Great Lakes and much of the Ohio Valley, continuing on into Friday evening. How do the maps look? Well, we'll show you the spotty nature of the showers and thunder showers here into the overnight hours. Again, we can't rule out a passing shower or a thunder shower overnight on into early Thursday morning, but there you see things really dry out. In terms of cloud cover, we're going to blow a lot of the clouds that are here now out of the picture by tomorrow afternoon. I think we're going to be into some bright sunshine. Cloud-sun mix looks like a good forecast, but at times we'll break into mostly sunny skies. you can see how the humidity levels really come down. Low humidity, less humid air mass is going to set up shop for at least 48 hours. Our forecast for tonight goes as follows: partly cloudy with a slight chance of a passing shower or a thunder shower. 65 the overnight low, sundown 8:58 tonight, and a light north wind freshens at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, a morning shower is possible, but otherwise mostly sunny, a cooler day. Look at that. 75, just stunning. What a gorgeous July day. Not bad, halfway through summer, north wind 10 to 15 miles an hour, sun up at 6:10. Here's a look at the extended now as we head into the weekend, and a gorgeous sunny forecast. For those of you who have big weekend plans, the weather will not disappoint. We're looking at an 80 for a high Friday with sunny skies, seasonably warm, warmer temperatures, and toasty getting into Saturday and Sunday, highs in the low 80s. And then I think mid-80s, a good bet for Monday. A bit more in the way of cloud cover. We'll call it partly sunny for now. Toasty high of 85 degrees. Just stunning. Hope you guys have a wonderful night tonight. Enjoy the beautiful weather. And as always, I appreciate you paying us a visit here from the AJ Colby Weather Center. I am meteorologist AJ Colby. Have a great night.